We had a customer come to us with a problem they were having with a knife that they were producing for a lineman supply. They were having the knife made with an acrylic handle and heating the blade and the hook and inserting them into the plastic handle, and eventually they were failing in the field. And this is not a good thing when you're up on a telephone pole to have the knife fall to the ground. So we thought about this and said there's got to be a better way to do this.
Anyone in the business of making things knows Thomas Edison was right when over a century ago he said genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Sometimes people ask why we call ourselves ECK Plastic Arts, and then they work with us and see how we make an art out of inspiration and perspiration, plus one more element, dedication.
Anybody can make any product good enough. We take it a step further, and we sit down and think about it and look at it and look at it again. We sit down and go through the whole process from design to production. It's how we make the best possible product at the best possible cost for our customers. We bring that type of everyday dedication to every job, and that's what keeps the engineers and buyers coming back to ECK Plastic Arts.
For over 3 decades, ECK Plastic Arts has brought tried and true, top-of-game qualities to each and every project. Fast quote turnaround, reduced lead times, extraordinary quality, and competitive pricing. At our Binghamton, New York-based operation, we engineer it, we prototype it, we mold it, route it, bend it, form it, trim it, weld it, stamp it, machine it, assemble it, print it, inspect it, and, of course, ship it. At every step, our dedication to both high standards and outstanding service ensures precision you can measure, quality you can see, and reliable results that are the art of what we do.
We solved the problem with the lineman's knives by insert molding the actual blade and hook right into the handle. Initially they were a little concerned of the tooling costs, but after we explained to them that that would be paid for within a year and there would be no more fallouts, they jumped at the chance. As a result, they got a knife that had 70 times the pull-out force that was in the spec. The knives ended up costing less, and we've shipped over 500,000 to date without one fallout. I was brought up to do the job right and try to see if there's another way to do it better, and that's what we do.
Inspiration, perspiration, and dedication. Essential elements in every project, every day, at ECK Plastic Arts.